Welcome everyone. My name is Abhishek Pratap Singh and I am doing good in my classes, and I hope that whatever the efforts I am doing, you will be taking all of them with you. So let's start the class of today, and you can see the new lesson is here, new chapter of our book, that is natural resources. Students, we will going to talk about this lesson, and it's very interesting and easy to understand. So I would like that if you watch this video completely, it will be definitely helpful for you for the whole of your life as well. So students, let's start with the name of it. So its name is natural resources, and I think it's very easy to understand that the substance or the things which are available in nature naturally are the natural resources. Okay, so this is the meaning of the name of the lesson. Now, students, if I talk about the things which we are going to learn in this lesson, so in this lesson you will learn about natural resources, renewable and non-renewable natural resources, and second thing, that is a different natural resources like soil, water, forest, animal, minerals and fuels. Okay, so these are the few natural occurring things which we will going to talk and learn in detail. So this is all what we are going to have in our lesson. Now let's see that what is given there in this box, this orange or yellow box. I don't know, I'm confused with the color of it. So it's a mind opener, students. Now let's see, make a list of 10 things you need every day in life. Okay, so again, you can make a list of 10 things which are very necessary for you in every day, for every day. Okay, now think how many of them are available in nature, and then what you have to think after making that list, you have to just, you know, take those things which are available in nature, okay, or which are like available naturally, and how many are made by humans. And you can just categorize those that list into two things, that is one which is made by humans, and secondly the things which we are getting naturally, right? So again, just take a pen and a paper, pause this video here, make a list of 10 items and just write after it that naturally after everything, so write N for it, and if it is man-made, just write M for it. Clear? Now let's start the lesson, students. So there are many valuable things in nature that are necessary for us to live on this earth. Some of these are earth, water, soil, forest, animal and minerals. Okay. So valuable things in the nature that are necessary for us to live on this planet, means which are very much important for all of us to live on this planet or to survive on this planet. So some of these are air. You know that we cannot be we cannot be alive even for 5 or 4 minutes without this air. Water, we all know the importance of water. It's very important in our daily needs. Soil, for growing crops and for growing different types of crops, and then we will going to eat those crops only, which is very healthy. Forest, animals and minerals. Okay, so these all are the things which are very much important for all of us to live on earth. Now they are known as natural resources. We use these natural resources in our daily lives, and we do use them in our daily life, right? So now students, as you can see that we have divided the natural resources into two types. First one is renewable resources and second one is non-renewable resources. If I talk about the renewable resources, let me just tell you by the name only, they can keep on renewing itself. Means they will be keep on generating by natural processes. For example, if I talk about the example, the water is renewed by rain. Okay, so let's read and understand what is given in this definition of the renewable resources. So renewable resources are those that will either never run out, for example the sun, or are constantly renewed by natural processes. Okay, it means that the resources which will not going to be end, and they keep on renewed by natural processes are called renewable resources. Let's take more examples. Animal, crops, forest, water, soil and sunlight are renewable resources. Okay, let's understand one by one. So if I talk about animals, they keep on reproducing one of their kind. Okay, you know that they keep on dying every day, and um, they keep on doing reproduction also. So crops, we all know that we just keep on cultivating crops and sowing another crop every season to season. So again, it cannot be end by by its own. We keep on generating it or by keep on producing it naturally. Forest, again, trees are keep on growing. If you cut also, the area will keep on turning up into a forest. So these are also the natural occurring thing, means they keep on renewing. Water, you know that with the help of water cycle, water keeps on renewing itself. Soil, again, after this cultivating the crops, we just renew the soil by different means, by adding fertilizers and a lot of different things. Sunlight, as you know about the sunlight, it keeps on burning, as you know about the sun. So as it is a hot ball of gases which keep on burning all the time. So this is all about the renewable resources. Let's see what are non-renewable resources. So non-renewable resources are those which once used up are exhausted and are either not renewed by nature or renewed very slowly over millions of years. So again, this is just totally opposite of the renewable. Means here we are getting the things renewed, but here non-renewed means non-renewable. So things which once used up, okay, the things which we have used for one of the time are exhausted, means now they are they got end and are either not renewed by nature, and or means that they are not produced again by the nature or renewed very slowly over the millions of years. Okay, so means if they are getting renewed also, they are getting very slowly, they're getting renewed very slowly over a million of years. Examples are fuels like coal, petroleum, and minerals like gold, iron, copper. And that's why we have to pay a lot for the petrol, the coal, and the different fuels, because they are non-renewable and they are keep on depleting. Depleting means they keep on decreasing every day.